Hey, are you planning your wedding? Then you already know it's such a chaos in the sequence. But here's something you don't need to worry about, it's your wedding invitation video. Hi, I am Ayushi, I'm a content creator and a founder, and today I am going to give you a hack for how to design a beautiful wedding invitation video using Adobe Express. So let's get into it.
Step 1. Head to Adobe Express on your desktop, and once you have logged in, click on Video. Select the template ratio, portrait or landscape. I'm going to use IG Reel 1. Now let's search for wedding invitation video in the templates. You will see tons of templates: minimal, floral, modern, traditional. Pick the one that fits your vibe. I'm going to use this one. Step 2 is about personalization. First, add bride and groom's name, event details, function details like date, time, venue, and once these changes are done, now let's change the font. You will find bunch of options on your left panel under the drop down menu. You can also change the text color to match with your theme. Once this is done, now let's add a fun visual to make the wedding card look more lively. Head to the element section on the left, search for something like wedding rings, wedding couple, flowers, and look all of these beautiful options. Select the one that you like. I think I will go with this one. You can increase or decrease the size of the element too, so that it fits perfectly in your card. Step 3, let's bring it all to life with animation. To add animation, select all the text and element, go to the animation section from the top toolbar and choose an effect that matches the mood. You can also adjust the animation speed as per your preference. Step 4, add music. Scroll to the bottom and click Add Audio. You can either pick something from Adobe's free library or upload something of your own. I am going to use a personal favorite. Step 5, duplicate for multiple events. Just duplicate the video, update the details as per the function, and you're good to go. It's super efficient. And the same process can be used to make an invitation either for your product launch, pop-up event, or store launch. Let's see how the final invite looks.
You have made such a beautiful wedding invitation video with no designer and no stress. So whether you're planning your own wedding or planning a product launch, Adobe Express makes your life super easy. So don't wait, try Adobe Express now. The website link is in the caption. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel right away.